Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use ElevenLabs with Adobe Premiere Pro. So actually guys, first you will need to generate your audio in ElevenLabs. So just make sure that you're already on the elevenlabs.io website and signed in to your account. And after that, just go with Playground section here on the left hand menu and click on text to speech, just like so. Then just select your voice from here and enter your script, and then just go with generate speech, and after that just download it to or into your files, and you will find it just like that. Okay, now, all you need to do is to open the Adobe Premiere Pro. So launch Premiere Pro and open your projects, and make sure your timeline is ready for narration. Then all you need to do is open the files or your computer files and just drag or import the audio into your Adobe Premiere Pro and select the ElevenLabs audio. Okay, then just click open and the audio will appear in the project panel. And then you will need to drag the imported audio into your audio track or an audio track in your timeline. So place it in sync with the video and use the razor tool, the C tool, to trim or split the audio as needed. Then just adjust or make some adjustments on the audio. So select the clip and open effects control and adjust right there the volume, fade in, out, and pitch speed if needed, and apply noise reduction or EQ to match your video's style. Then just export your video. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.